Unit's still in the same call. Oh, now we show fault. Looks like 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think I got 9. So, got voltage at T1 and T2. That runs through the soft start over to here. That's T1 and T2. Comes out of the soft start here, going back to the unit. Still 240. So this terminal here, black, ties into the black and blue going to the compressor. So that's my C. So here is reading resistance between compressor, got an open, and then reading resistance between C on the compressor. Not sure how I'm going to do this. And orange on the cap is also an open, 8-9 megohms.